Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is time for the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I apologize, it took me a little while. As most of you know, I caught COVID and I was getting over it. And you can probably still hear it in my voice. Not much I can do there. It's gonna stay there for however long it wants to hang out. But I'm very excited to do this giveaway. I had to think on it for a little while because it was kind of a rough one. 5,000 is a big milestone for me. I am so happy that I hit 5,000. So grateful to all of you who have been supporting my channel, whether it's commenting on videos, liking, sharing, or showing up to the live streams. I appreciate it. So I want to, do a giveaway and show my appreciation. So yeah, let's get this going. I don't want this to be a long video. So there will be 5 prizes total, one for each 1,000 subscribers, pretty much. And that's how I plan to structure them from here on out. So each time there will be more and more opportunities to win, the more subscribers I get. So for the first place winner, now I'm going to really quick apologize if you hear some noise. They are doing construction in my basement, and I was hoping to finish this before they showed up, but I didn't. So if you hear that noise, just think of it as my art studio underway. So for the first place winner will win a set of 72 Derwent Lightfast pencils. Now these are the Lightfast ones from Derwent. It's basically the Caran d'Ache competitor, but not really because you can use them together. So these are mostly all light LF1 and LF2. Beautiful colors. Now they do come in a 100 set, but the last 28 are open stock. I'm only giving away the 72 count pack, but these are beautiful pencils. They just have the wood casing, the traditional Derwent color dipped end, gorgeous colors. So the grand prize winner will get the 72 count set of the Derwent Lightfast. Now, second place winner, so the second name that's chosen, will get a 24 count pack of any Derwent pencil that they choose, whether it's Graphitint, ink tints, why is nothing coming to me? Oh, watercolor, Lightfast. You can get the 24 Lightfast, Pro Color, Color Soft. So yeah, one of the 24 count tins you can get, and then you'll have at least that. ChromaFlow, I think, also comes in 24. So that is the second place winner. Now, third, fourth, and fifth place will get to pick any Hannah Karlzon book of their choosing. I've got all my Hannah Karlzon books here, so I can show you guys. Now, you'll get to pick any one of these. So if you're missing one of the Hannah Karlzons, you'll get to pick one. So you can choose between Seasons, Jewelry Box, Magical Dawn, Daydreams, Grains of Gold, which is also known as Guild Corn, Midnight Masquerade, which is one of her newer ones, Spirit Animals. I have a couple duplicate copies, so I'm trying not to show all of those. Summer Nights. Did I already show that? I feel like I did. Or her latest and greatest, Hexen Stugo, which is Tales from the Witch's Cottage. Or, I forgot, I got another one off to the side here. I think this is Tales from the Forest Kingdom, but don't quote me on that. But yeah, so she's got a lot of books out. I went to go pull these off my bookshelf, and I was just like, holy moly, I didn't realize she had so many. So yeah, if you don't have one of these, you'll get to pick one of your choosing online. So let's get to the rules, shall we? Okay, so to enter, or let's talk about the dates. The giveaway runs from the airing of this video, which is November 8th at 7 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Very important to remember the time zone. And it will end on November 12th at 7 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Now, to enter, you must do two things. You must leave a comment below with the correct prompt. If you just leave a comment saying thank you or I'm excited, unfortunately, you're disqualified. So please try to do the prompt. Second, you have to fill out the Google Sheet. Now, this is open to everyone for prizes 3, 4, and 5 that Amazon or Book Depository ships to. If you are outside of the US or UK, your Hannah Karlzon book will come from Book Depository. If you're in the US or UK, it'll come from Amazon. Now, the first and second prize winners, unfortunately, I do have to limit those to the US and UK only. Due to currency conversions, it is just too expensive to pay and ship for those worldwide. So you do have to be in the US or UK to qualify for the Derwent Lightfast or Derwent 24 count. Now, say you're outside of the US or UK and you're pulled first, you'll automatically get, one of the other slots. So you'll get a free book at least. So you'll get something. And then I will just bump the second place winner, as long as they're in the US or UK, up into the first. So the Google form is going to ask for your name, your email address, your country of origin, and then also your YouTube username, so that I can verify you've left a comment, but also verify that you are a subscriber. You must be a subscriber of my channel to enter the giveaway. I want to thank my subscribers, so that's really important. I want them to, all of you who have supported me, to get my thank you, which is this giveaway. So yes, you must leave the comment and you must fill in the sheet. Now, usual disclaimers: this is not sponsored, endorsed, regulated by YouTube, nor is it sponsored or endorsed by Hannah Karlzon or Derwent. This is solely hosted by myself. Any names I collect are used for the sole purpose of this giveaway. The form is actually closed and deleted after the winners. It's closed on the 12th at 7 a.m. and then I delete it after I pick the winners. I will announce the winners in a video, possibly a live stream. Depends on what I got going on. But they will be announced in some sort of video format, because this is the 5K one, and they will not be emailed ahead of time because I will be already able to verify thanks to the Google form. Okay, so what is the prompt? Well, I thought it would be really fun to go with, the November fall theme, since it is my favorite season. So you need to leave a comment below as part of your prompt, letting me know what your favorite food is or drink in the fall season. And it can include Thanksgiving dishes, but what is fall to you? Like, what drink or food just totally, like, the second September rolls around, you're all over it? Like, for me, it's the pumpkin spice latte at Starbucks. I'm all over that PSL. And gosh darn it, I liked it before it became trendy. Now it's just so trendy. And I feel kind of cheesy getting it now, but I'm not going to let it be ruined. So yes, I want to know your favorite, food or drink that just spells out fall, whether it's turkey, stuffing, cranberry sauce, apple cider, I don't care, whatever it is, or eating an apple. But put that as your prompt below. Make sure you fill out the form, and good luck to everyone, and can't wait to see who ends up winning the 5K giveaway. Hopefully we can hit 6K soon, and then I'll do another, of course, but I am so excited with the growth. I had really wanted to hit 10K by the end of the year, but I don't see that happening. Little outrageous of a goal, but we will see how we get. I'm just happy at how much my channel has grown in such little time. So I owe that to you guys and appreciate you so much. So that's why I wanted to do my giveaway to show that. So just remember, grand prize is the Derwent Lightfast pencils. They are very nice. They are not cheap, but they are awesome pencils. Love them to death. And then, of course, second place will get the Derwent 24 count, anything of their choice. And then third, fourth, and fifth will get a Hannah Karlzon book of their choosing. So do make sure, if you are outside of the US or UK, that you make sure Book Depository ships to you. They do ship worldwide, but on occasion there's a few countries excluded. So please check Book Depository and make sure that you are a country they will ship to. All right, everyone, good luck, and until next time, take care. Bye.